Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Volvo S90 Bonnet. First, locate the interior release lever in the driver's footwell and pull it. Next, walk to the front, feel under the bonnet lip for the secondary safety latch, push it to release, then lift smoothly. If your S90 has a prop rod, stow it before closing, or let gas struts support the bonnet during checks and maintenance. In the cabin, begin by opening the driver door and locating the release lever on the lower kick panel. Pull the lever firmly until you hear and feel the bonnet pop open slightly. This action releases the primary latch, but does not free the bonnet entirely. If the lever is unusually soft or without tension, inspect the cable path for kinks or disconnection before moving to the front of the car. After the cabin release, walk to the vehicle front and slide your hand under the bonnet edge to locate the safety latch. Depress or push the latch toward the side specified by feel, then lift the bonnet steadily. If your Volvo S90 uses a prop rod, secure it into the designated slot to hold the bonnet open. If gas struts are installed, confirm they are supporting the bonnet before letting go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.